Now we'll go back to a California lake and be bored. Look at that. It's bowling. The red chair and geese. RV road trip number 45. Seltzers, beer, butter, eggs, bacon, mushrooms. Check. Steak, pork, chicken, and of course, Klondike bars. Check. Potato chips, wine, donuts, bread. Check. Salt, spices, and coffee. Check. Old windshield camera mount. New windshield camera mount. Check. Window adjusting. Check. Fishing equipment. Fishing poles. And fire pit. Check. That is beautiful. And we're off the different direction than the last trip. We're going west this time. Well, of course, you set out on road trip number 45. The first thing that happens is you come to a stop for construction. When we were coming out of Courtside this year, in January, I was making fun of all the smog pulling into LA. And this is my backyard. I'm pulling this trailer without the stabilizer bars on it because it's a short trip and it's no highway driving, just these hills. And you can feel the difference, folks. I mean, I'm swaying and sloshing all over the road big time. You gotta get used to it, but those stabilizer bars work for sure. Okay, I'm gonna take you on a hyperlapse on this little back Sierra Foothills Sierra Road all the way to the lake, just to see how. Collins Lake. Those are public bathrooms and showers. This is a little store. Check in, get power bait, that kind of stuff. Ice cream. All this stuff. It's not as impressive as Pyramid Lake, but it's okay. Here we go. We decided to take site 408 because there's no open camping because the lake is too high. And where you open camp is usually inside the lake when it's low. There's the main boat dock right there. Boat ramp. And you can come down here, it's about, I think, $19 for a day pass. There it is right there. Look how full it is. Wow. Used to be a little sliver of it. Wow. Good rains this year for sure. This coming weekend is Memorial Day and they're gonna be packed. It's gonna be like sardines down here. What number is that? 398, what did I tell you? Let's take it. All right, we have to go find 408. Well, look at this spot. We'll be there in a second, but.
Is our door gonna be able to?
Yeah, we're fine. We're right there. Looky there. Oh, and look at, babe, we got a fishing pier right there. Oh my God. Score. Right now. And there's our neighbors right there. So I'm gonna pull in straight in and put us under the shade. And we'll be looking right at that in the boat dock. Sitting by the dock of the bay, baby. Well, this is the final placement of the Mesa Ridge 21FB walk around bed. And there we have it. There's the lake. There's a little fishing dock. We're gonna see some boats, but that's okay. There's one set of neighbors. They're kind of isolated with that car there, and you can't see the next door neighbors at all. And we have our own tree. I mean, you can go swimming right here. Or you can just walk in there. All right, we're here for a couple days. The lost RVers have made it.
And the fish around it.
You can pull your boat right up to the bank, tie off on a tree, and camp right there. Ideal, huh? Oh, look at the cute little geese. And the baby geesies. Oh, look at those guys. How cute, huh? Looks mean. They will come right after you, man. They get right in your face, too. Especially when they have little chicks over there. That goose will goose you for sure. Oh, it's a fight. You think that it's like a rooster. You think they're easy to knock down? They aren't, man. They're mean, mean. Geese machine. He brought all his buddies. We were inundated with geese. This old girl right here, man, she's running after everybody. Watch out, she'll come after you, man. Look at her, she's looking at you. She wants to get you. Right over here, there's mama and daddy and babies. Mama and daddies and babies. Mamas and daddies and babies. Oh. Be the bobber. Be the bobber. Well, we're just going to call this video the Red Chair and Geese RV road trip number 45. Look at that. That is so cool. I mean, come on. Oh. I hear some excitement. There's some excitement here, huh? Ooh, baby. All right. Back to harbor. It's time to start this puppy up. A Honda 2200i. Good little generator. Broke the pull cord on it in quartzside. Got it fixed. But I gotta lock it up. So I'll show you how I do that. And voila. Look at this flock come up.
Humiliating experience of my life. I'll never forget the look on his face. It's a combination of pity and loathing.
Raptors.
I've seen that look before.
Look at them.
There it is.
Down there, man. As you can see, you can park your boat right up on the beach. Right where you're camping. Leave it there overnight. It really is a cool place. And the water is just topped out. We'll see how it looks later this summer, but. All right, time for another The Lost RVers cooking show. Tonight's. Day 2 on this Collins Lake extraordinarily divine trip. So sit back, lay back, and sleep kind of trip. Well, it's Friday morning. We're pulling out. This is the start of Memorial Weekend. People are going to be pulling in big time. The place will be a zoo tomorrow. 6 o'clock in the morning. You're with the Lost RVers on the final moments. Packing things up. We're leaving early too. But thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see what we get on the way back. RV road trip number 45. Sunrise. Our little friends come to say goodbye. Give you a shot of the whole park, or the section we're in. It's filling in up there. A lot of those people came in last night, getting ready for Memorial Weekend. Fun in the sun. All right, we're out. Lost our viewers. Another exciting RV road trip.
What does that mean? Oh, your
Seatbelts on. And here we go. All right, we're off. Back home. Where the grass grows high. God bless America. Take the shot, take the shot. God. But we were here to go fishing, and there was just too much seaweed, too much moss, too much whatever it was.
Yeah, it wasn't
grass.
seaweed.
It was pretty mucky where we were. Am I clear that up?
Yep, you're good.
Okay, and we're off. End of RV road trip number 45. And we will see you next time on the road with the lost RVers. Goodbye. At Grills and Grills.
72 Ford LT.
I like it.
How low it is.
That was 16. And I traded a 1959 Biscayne for a 1946 Ford. Yeah. Saturday in the park. Well, there's only one person competing in this rib cook-off. One, which means he automatically wins. Well, I say that's the winner right there. The Blues Brothers, new and the old. I'd take the old any day. This is a beauty. Oh yeah. And best of all, it's a Ford. An old Stingray, man. Duster, a 340 muscle machine. I remember that. Everybody wants lobster rolls. Cousin's famous lobster tacos. And what's that?
Connecticut lobster roll.
There you go. All right, we've had lobster tacos, lobster rolls, and spare ribs. I'm sitting on 24 tickets for 3 beers. That's where we're heading to. Had one of those too. It was orange. Traded it in for a 1979 LTD. That's a sporty looking Tesla. Wow. Gold wings, Tesla. Good old Chevy truck. Scout.
Land across the U.S.
I like it. I had a 54, 53 Oldsmobile with a push button transmission. Kind of looked like this, but it wasn't like. I had a 1969 red Cougar. This very one right here. It was red with a black top. I put meats on the tires and I ruined the differential. I had one of those too. I've had about 30 cars. Want me to name them? No, I'm not going to. But you're looking at most of them right here. Unbelievable. That's someone's daily driver. That's a slick looking vehicle. Wild Hogs.
A Dodge.
like it.
That's a
Half moons, baby. That was the rage back in the 60s. The most popular booth
I'm assuming it's $1 a ticket.
at this gathering. Look at this baby.
Everything goes pretty good.
Back in the day, we used to have that stuff.
Wow.
Oh, I know.
Beautiful. I like it. Where has America gone when they can't make a car like this anymore? A beautiful park. Over here is an 18-hole disc golf, bike riding, and a dog park back there somewhere. So, from the Lost RVers, we bid you adieu. What do you think, folks? Last weekend it was classic cars. This weekend is cows and horses. The fun never ceases here. Great crowd here, man. There's no way I'm going back.
You can never catch me. Once again.
The beer line.
We were about to have a match. Tony Reynolds is your rodeo queen. Stevie Mae Scott, Washoe Valley, Nevada. Left bell first. Ooh, snap around it. Big, beautiful buckskin. Talented cowgirls, beautiful horses. It might as well be somebody.
Must be bull riding time.
Come on, Devin. Hey, 2,000 pounds of man-killing bovine. Whoa! Fucker named Nitro. Gate opens up. Let's ride.
The masses from the rodeo, come out, wherever you are. And of course, from debauchery, God. Down to 1,400. And about 1,300 of them are right here tonight. For sure. The Lost RVers.